Good day everyone, this is Sir J. So, today we are going to discuss about the common monomial factoring. So, number 1 and 2, you are going to find or we are going to find the factors. Okay? So, 15x squared minus 10x, ano yung common monomial factor ng 15 and negative 10? We have 5. And then x squared, then x, we have x. Tama? So, yung 5x, sinatawag natin na common monomial factor or CMF. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung second factor ng dalawa, divide natin yung 5x. So, 15 divided by 5, the answer is 3. Then, x squared divided by x, the answer is x. Then, divide natin yung 5x sa negative 10x. So, negative 10 divided by 5, the answer is negative 2. So, simply cancel na lang natin yung x. So, the factors or common monomial factors of 15x squared minus 10x is 5x times 3x minus 2. So 3x squared minus 9x. So, kunin nyo na lang po. Then, comment na lang po nyo sa comment section yung sagot niyo. Thank you.